watch.
I got three minutes.
Okay, go behind her, follow her.
Under 3 minutes. We're doing the jib. Tom Sleep.
Time?
2 minutes, 5 seconds.
They're already yelling at each other. I love it.
We got a step on it here. Under 2 minutes. Where's that window? Should I head up more or no?
Oh, just keep hold this.
Okay. We got 1 minute, 22 seconds. Minute and 10 seconds. That was a minute.
You're on board, so watch. Get off the course.
I'm saying. We're gonna have to jive.
I
I think it's 1 minute.
Yeah.
Oh, they're over early.
Time. What do you think?
Yeah. We're not gonna be upwind, but we're gonna be close to the line at least. So, hold.
Time?
We got 30 seconds almost. 22 seconds.
Okay, time.
All right, watch your head, watch your head.
Down.
10 seconds.
Easy. Right. Okay, go.
Woo!
Spider, come on.
I'm trying. I can't see the spider.
Keep going, just keep going. Put the bow down a little bit.
I see.
Okay, good, Jeff. That's it, Jeff. Lock it down. Settle down. Let it out a little bit.
Yeah, we gotta let out 2 inches, please.
Okay, next one is you steer. Don't look for no marks. I got it.
All right, I can't see the mark.
All right, it's gonna be a jive, probably.
Yeah, I gotta ease that. There you go. That's good, right there.
If your butt's holding the main. I know, you're on a couple spots. There you go. All right, Jeff, it's going to be a jive, so I'm going to get the main. I got a wrap on the drum here.
Okay.
So you're going to let that go if you can, and I'll help you as soon as I can.
All right.
You see the spider, right?
Yep.
We want to stay upwind so we can't get any boats on top of us, all right? So make a nice rounding, spot your mark.
Ready?
Here we go.
Jibe up. All right, I'm right on that mark. If you can bring that jib in. All right, I think that's good. That's good. Hold on. You almost got a broad reach practically, right? What's that? No, it's beam. It's beam. Should that come out more, or is that good?
Don't let anybody get on top of you. That's all.
Right. Yeah, they're all going up.
Yeah.
Yeah. They want to cut off your air supply. That's the only tool they got. You want to lock this down, Jim? You want to work this guy?
I think we gotta work that jib more.
Let it out a little bit. You got to stay down there and work it.
Yeah, you can stay down because it's not that heavy right now.
There's a little more breeze coming up here. About 5 boat lengths.
Well, we're not resetting. I think they're going to reset Mark 2.
Put your pressure. Nice, you got it first. So you start flipping on them.
Are you guys ready to harden up?
It'll be marked. You gotta stay on the single right now. Come on, come on, come on.
All right, ready?
Turn. There's too many wraps on this drum. Go ahead. Good. Lock it down. Nice and easy.
Arms Lee. I'm trying.
It's got to come all the way in. All the way, all the way. Okay, lock it down, lock it down, lock it down. Ow.
Okay. More lift. Whenever you're ready.
Turn it slowly. Okay, up the end.
All right, ready?
Ready? Ready.
All right, helms Lee. I don't see the other boat. Where's he at? Where's he?
Okay, lock it down.
There he is. All right, so we're gonna have to tack again around this mark.
That's right.
Is there another boat over
Just
there?
drive. Jeff,
No.
take a peek.
Are you sure?
He's the only boat?
No, I think there's another one.
Yeah, on the far side of the mark though, we're clear.
Yeah, he's way ahead
That's
of
the
me.
next
You're
closest one.
good. You're good. Sail good. Sail fast.
Sailing good. All right, there he is. I would let that jib out a little bit.
No,
No?
we're upwind. We're way upwind here.
All right.
Keep us going fast. Keep us going. Put the bow down. Come on. You gotta feel that boat lock in.
Down.
Get knocked. Put the bow down. Keep us going fast.
They have right away.
Yeah, they do.
We got room, right?
I think he's gonna have us.
Uh-huh.
The way we're going so slow here. Put the bow down a little bit. A little bit. Sorry.
I can't see him.
Just keep going. You're good. Okay, back up, back up, back up. See him?
I see you now. I'm gonna go right on his ass.
Back up. That's it. Keep going.
I don't think I can come up anymore.
Just keep going. Keep going fast. Keep going fast. Okay, ready about? Let's go.
Ready. Helms Lee.
It's going to be a reach.
There you go.
Go for them all. Go right for them all. Right, there's the mark.
I see it. Are we gonna jibe?
I hope not. Let it out. Go ahead.
Just watch the main doesn't come flying over, all right?
Let some off. Come on. Okay, let it out, let it out, let it out.
I'm just gonna fly that.
Hold it as good as you can. We're just going to stay on this a little while.
There it is.
and then we will drive the jib back.
Just to the left of Chris.
This is as far up
Okay.
as I can go right now.
So a little low, come right, a little bit, come right, come right.
All right. See that? Hold on. I'm not at the ley line yet to do that. Hold on for a second.
The mark's down here.
Yeah, but we're not.
Yeah, you're pretty close. I want to stay near the rum line.
All right.
From mark to
All right, go
mark.
ahead. I'm gonna head down. Just watch the jib. Watch the jibe on the main.
Down.
Watch the jibe on the main.
Yep, got the main.
All right. Now we're good. Should be right on now.
Yeah, but you know, the wind's all over. Yeah. I don't know what's gonna happen. You're too low.
All right. Oh yeah, you're right. It's better if I just look up.
Now you're too high. All right, Jeff, start bringing that jib in.
Yeah. All right. Watch your head with the main. All right.
All right.
Yeah, really, you're in a bad spot, Jeff.
You're gonna swing that over.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do this slowly. All right. All right. Helmets to the leg. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm bringing it in. Oh, jeez.
All right, I'll tail for you. All right, lock it down. That's all you're gonna get. The boat felt better on starboard anyhow. I don't know why.
Well, because the motor's on the starboard. That's why. The motor gives us better ballast.
All right,
Better
ready,
weight.
ready, nice and easy.
All right. Ready.
Ready?
All right. Helmets to leg. That's as easy as I can go. There.
Nice and slow.
All right. Let me know when you're ready. You guys ready?
Ready?
All right. Helmets to the leg. That was better.
Okay, that's it. Let's not lose anything.
All right. Are you sure? All right. I can't see him.
Well ahead.
Okay. Sure? There he goes. All right, good.
Attack after him.
I don't want to attack on his bad air. Shout. They always ready when you are. We got the line, I think.
Okay, ready now? Ready, go race.
All right, ready? Helms Lee.
Stick it up, man. Stick it up. We gotta hold it back. Stick it up there. Stick it up. Up. Stick it up. I don't have enough grab.
All right, heading up.
Okay, good.
Stay down there, though. Well, actually, I don't know if we should stay on it. We're pretty heeled over. All right, I can't see the mark. I'm just going to follow him.
Just hold this close. You'll have plenty of room.
He's sealed pretty good. There's got to be wind up there. Boy, he made that just barely.
He was pitching all the way there. He pulled the late line early, so we went a couple extra boats and good game. Some good velocity. Up, down, good.
All right, I don't know where the mark is, so I think it's somewhere over there.
Alright, Jeff, you spotted it. About 20 feet. Alright, come down. Come down a little. Down.